सुपर 30 पंगडान चॅम्पियनशिप जिखून महाराष्ट्रातल्या रत्नागिरीन जावपी अखिल भारतीय सर्तीन अंडर 16 विभागान उपविजेतो जावपाचो मान मेळयलो। ही सर्त रत्नागिरी शिवरत्न अकादमीन घडोवन हाडिल्ली। गोयच्या सुपर 30 पंगडान रत्नागिरी शिवरत्न अकादमीन आयोजित केल्ल्या अंडर 14 आणि अंडर 12 विभागान चॅम्पियनशिप जिखून महाराष्ट्रातल्या रत्नागिरीन जावपी अखिल भारतीय सर्तीन अंडर 16 विभागान उपविजेत्याची सुवात मेळयल्या। खेळामळार केल्ल्या बळिश्ट कामगिरी वांगडाच तांणी ट्रॉफी आणि प्रभावी रोख इनामां मेळयल्यात। हे जैत त्यांच्या समर्पणाचे आणि कष्टाचे खरे प्रतिबिंब दाखयता।
So on the 8th we traveled to Ratnagiri to participate in an all India football tournament organized by Shiv Ratna Academy. This is the third year we are participating. Last year also we had won 3 trophies. We were the champions in the under 12, the under 16 and the under 18. And this year we participated in the same tournament, and this year we were the champions of under 12. We also got a third place in under 12. We were the champions of under 14 and the runners up for under 16. It was a nice opportunity for all the players. There were some new players who got really good chances to play. Also a total of 50 players participated in the tournament from Super 30 soccer schools, and we had our parents also who traveled along. So we had a total number of around 100 plus parents and supporters who traveled along with us. This was a great opportunity. I would like to thank our owner and our president, Mr. Ricardo Cardozo, who gave us this opportunity to participate in the tournament, as well as all the parents who traveled along with us, who supported us. Also Shiv Ratna Academy, who organized the tournament really well. And yes, lastly I would say a big thank you to everyone.
One of the players of this wonderful Super 30 team from Goa. So we went to Ratnagiri for all India tournament with 4 teams: under 12A, under 12B, under 14 and under 16. The tournament was organized by Shiv Ratna Academy, when the under 12A team got third place, the under 12A team B team got first place, under 14 team won, and the under 16 team got runner up. It was a great tournament where all the teams there had a huge competition to win, with a lot of energy and excitement, as the tournament was organized in a way that involved everybody. In our team, the coaches did a very great job. All the players gave their everything, and for me, we did an excellent job in all the categories of the Super 30 soccer schools.
गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गावकर, गौतमी गावकर आणि शिवानी सांगेलकर।